Keith Lanier Black, born 1957, still alive today, as of August 3rd, 2021, African-American neurosurgeon. Keith Lanier Black is an internationally respected neurosurgeon, researcher, and teacher. He is best known for working with the most difficult brain tumors, many of which other neurosurgeons deem inoperable, and for his groundbreaking research. Black averages more than 200 brain tumor operations annually, has published more than 100 scientific articles, and presented his research findings at more than 200 national and international meetings. A native of Tuskegee, Alabama, Black was born on September 13, 1957, to Lillian and Robert Black. The elder Black was principal of a segregated elementary school in Auburn, Alabama. He taught his children to cross racial boundaries during the governorship of ardent segregationalist George Wallace. Robert Black also encouraged the young Black's keen interest in science. Quote, "He was the ultimate educator," unquote, Keith Black said of his father in an article by Michael D. Lemanock in a fall 1997 issue of Time magazine. Quote, "He instilled in us an attitude that there is nothing that you cannot do," unquote. During his 8th grade year, Black's family moved to Cleveland, Ohio. There, Black was drawn to the laboratories of Case Western Reserve University. When Black was a youngster, his father brought home a cow's heart from a local slaughterhouse for his son to dissect, and by the time Keith Black reached high school age, he was performing organ transplants and heart valve replacements on dogs. When he was 17, Black published his first scientific paper on the damage done to red blood cells in patients with heart valve replacements, which earned him the Westinghouse Science Award. At the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor, Black completed an accelerated college program in biomedical science and medicine and earned his undergraduate and medical degrees in 6 years. Fascinated by the human brain, Black told Lemanock in the Time article that he initially wanted to understand consciousness. Later, however, he questioned whether scientists could comprehend the mystery, and he began to focus more on researching the physical brain. Black completed his internship in general surgery and residency in neurological surgery at the University of Michigan Medical Center. During his residency, when viewing post-operative scans that showed damage to the brain as a result of surgery, Black decided to never touch the brain. Quote, "It's a concept I try to teach the residents," unquote, Black noted in Time. Quote, "The whole goal is to extract the tumor without disturbing the normal brain. It's as if the brain is asleep and you want to sneak in and remove the tumor and never wake the brain up," unquote. Black has also been a pioneer in research related to techniques to open the blood-brain barrier, allowing chemotherapeutic drugs to be delivered directly into the cancerous tumor. He is well known for discovering that bradykinin, a natural body peptide that forms locally in injured tissue, is effective in opening the blood-brain barrier. In 1996, Black and some of his patients who were undergoing the first clinical trials of the cancer drug RMP/7 were profiled in a public broadcasting service program, quote, "The New Explorers," unquote. In addition, he has conducted progressive research to develop a vaccine to enhance the body's immune response to brain tumors. Of the approximately 5,000 neurosurgeons in the United States, about 50 are considered brain tumor specialists. Black is among those performing well over 200 operations each year on patients referred to him from across the country as well as from Europe, the Middle East, Asia, South America, and Australia. Many of his patients have complex lesions and have exhausted other treatment options. Black served on the University of California, Los Angeles faculty from 1987 to 1997. He received the Ruth and Raymond Stoddard Chair in the Department of Surgery in 1992 and was head of neurosurgical oncology and head of the comprehensive brain tumor program. He received a promotion to full professor in the UCLA Department of Surgery Division of Neurosurgery in 1994. In 1997, Black joined Cedars-Sinai Medical Center as director of the institution's new multi-million-dollar neurosurgical institute. The institute provides a wide range of services for adult and pediatric patients with programs that encompass brain tumors, vascular conditions, functional disorders, and other complex conditions that require neurological intervention. Black told the Los Angeles Times that the offer to direct the institute was difficult to resist. Quote, "The resources they were putting into this are really just as incredible. Quote, "The resources they are putting into this are really just an incredible opportunity to fulfill a dream. We are going to build a world-class center that does state-of-the-art research," unquote, he commented. At the Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, Black also serves as director of the Division of Neurosurgery and director of the Cedars-Sinai Comprehensive Brain Tumor Program. He oversees a staff of 50 healthcare professionals. In addition to his surgical research and teaching responsibilities, Black serves on the editorial boards of the Journal of Neuro-Oncology, Neurological Research, Perspectives in Neurological Surgery, Critical Reviews of Neurosurgery, and the Journal of Radiosurgery. He serves on the National Institutes of Health's Board of Scientific Counselors for Neurological Disorders and Stroke as well. Black was a founding member of the North American Skull-Base Society and is a member of many other professional associations, including the American Association of Neurological Surgeons and the Neurological Society of America and the Academy of Neurological Surgery. Black continues to work toward his long-term goal of finding a true cure for brain cancer. An aggressive but careful surgeon, he also enjoys adventurous activities outside of the operating room and laboratory, such as mountain climbing, skydiving, and whitewater rafting. Black is married to Carol Burnett. Black is married to Carol Bennett, not Carol Burnett. Black is married to Carol Bennett, a University of California, Los Angeles urologist, and has 2 children. Carol Bennett. Citations and sources of this audio are listed below.